So we've done a lot of stuff. We created elements, stuff like 2019. Also, we created a budget element, and I would like to do some budgeting now. How do I go about doing that?
Yeah, I remember. Just when we started to build our database, we added this nice little element here, budget and actual, to distinguish between data we are pulling from your Excel file to analyze your actual data. And you're right, now we would like to do for next year budgeting.
So and I see you already prepared a view here.
Correct. So the view, we learned also how to create this one. It's the paste view. And I have highlighted for myself the right position here, the right cell where I would like to show you now that you can easily, remember this is a Palo data for me, so it's exactly what you learned before. Easily you can enter a value. So I'm just typing on top of the formula, so don't be afraid. It looks like the formula is gone, and I hit enter, and the system immediately sends the data to the OLAP database.
Okay, yeah, and I see the consolidation, how it does that summing up the hierarchy. Okay.
Yeah. And it was really online, so this is not the reason why it's called online, but it's immediately telling you, right, the consolidation is now 2,000 on mountain bikes, and it's rolling up all the way to all products, and it's rolling all the way up to quarter one. So when I go, for example, and add another product, let's take here 1,000, you see it's immediately calculating, and I can do this also for the February. Here we add another 2,000 here, and there we are. So you feed now only one cell, and the result is shown all the way up the rolling, and here the values here are calculated.
Okay, could you go back to the yellow cell for a minute? Just want to see, okay, yeah, the formula is all the same. It just looked a little weird when we had the number entered before you hit enter.
Formula is still there.
Okay, great. And I didn't have to hit save or anything. It was written to the database as soon as you hit enter.
Exactly. It's now saved in the database.
Okay. And so we did that now on 2 specific bikes. Can I also do that for, let's say, a product group like mountain bikes?
Let's try. So when I go to mountain bikes and maybe the entire quarter, so I want to add another value. Let's say I would like to have 10,000, and I hit enter. Unfortunately, it's not working like this. So we need a little bit more help from the system. And this is something we are going to show you in the next lesson.
Okay.